Hello everyone, I'm Aisha Taha. I want to make the poster design. Today I will let you know how poster work is done. We open Adobe Photoshop. We have two options to start work. We choose the first option. The first step, write a document name. We write an example, makeup. Then size, create. Okay. We go to file, place. We choose image, place. Okay. And then adjust the size on the page. Now insert the background to be married with the image of the woman. We do the same steps. File, place. We choose the background you need. Okay, this. Okay. Place. Now, hide the background to see the image. We choose a quick selection tool. We define where we want to show the background. After that, we show the background. We will copy the selection, then paste it. As you can see, copy our selection. We go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. We attention to the part of the body and hair. Press OK. Now change normal to soft light. The background is beautifully married with the image. Then select all layers, press Command G and Command E to merge. After that, convert the image to smart object. Then we go Filter, Camera Raw Filter. We choose Detail to clean up. Then we go Basic Setting to edit. We choose lighting. Okay. You can see. Make what? Then we lower tint and heighten the temperature. Now it's become a beautiful color. Last step in the camera raw filter is add a little black lighting in the frame. Add white rectangle to the bottom of poster and make a transparent. Okay, like this. A type tool. As an example, what we write, think a little. Okay, we write soft skin with soft skin with what we choose from brand. Okay, we choose Olay. After that, we adjust size and make Olay large. Okay, like this. We see the difference before and after. Of course, the final result is very beautiful. The poster with a simple and attractive way. I hope everyone enjoy it. Thank you for listening to this lesson.